Look what we've got here, the magnificent pomegranate. It's the star of the autumn season, but today we're turning this beautiful fruit into the most versatile, tangy and delicious pomegranate paste. We've already de-seeded these juicy gems and poured them into a bowl. Now, let's get that juice out. Toss all those ruby red seeds into your blender or juicer. We're straining the juice to get rid of any pulp. Time for the heat. We're putting the pot on high heat. You'll see some foam forming on top. Just grab a spoon and gently skim it all off the surface. After the initial high heat, we're reducing the heat to a gentle simmer for about 3 hours. Keep stirring it gently every 5 minutes or so, just to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom. We'll let this magic boil down until it's perfectly thick and rich. This paste isn't just tasty, it's perfect for marinades, dipping sauces, or adding a rich tanginess to stews. A multi-purpose flavour bomb. Wow! Who would have ever guessed that these small, beautiful red pomegranate seeds could transform into something this luxurious and deeply flavoured? It's pure kitchen alchemy. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more.